शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
Prana is the ratha of mana. Both prana and mana are interrelated. Prana controls the mind, mind controls the prana. Continuing.
यत्र यत्रानुसरति रथस्तत्रैव सारथिः प्राणसम्प्रेरितं चित्तं याति देशान्तरेक्षणात्। अन्वय यत्र यत्र रथः अनुसरति तत्र एव सारथिः प्राणसम्प्रेरितं चित्तं देशान्तरे क्षणात् याति। अगेन यत्र यत्र रथः अनुसरति तत्र एव सारथिः प्राणसम्प्रेरितं चित्तं देशान्तरे क्षणात् याति।
Yatra yatra ratha. Now between prana and mana, who is ratha and who is sarathi? See, we already seen. Prana is sarathi, no, ratha of mana. That is how it is. See, stanza 40, manasastu ratha prana. Now where the ratha goes, what about sarathi? Has to be there. Wherever the ratha chariot goes, sarathi has to be there. One who is traveling in that, or one who that is drives that has to be there. Yatra, you may say, sarathi takes the ratha. But can the sarathi take the ratha without the ratha? No. And once, yes, accepted. Sarathi takes the ratha. But when Sarathi has taken the ratha, Sarathi is there or not?
Yes.
That's it. So that is how it is. Yatra yatra rathaha. Now here who is rathaha? Pranaha. Tatra eva. Yes. Now yatra yatra rathaha anusarati. Anusarati means goes. It goes. Tatra eva. There only. Saratihi Anusarati. Sarati also goes because he is in the Ratha, goes. See? Because of this. Prana sampreritam chittam Deshantare Kshanat Yati. This chittam, prana sampreritam, that is prompted by, motivated by prana. Why so? If prana doesn't prompt, motivate, what will happen? Mind has no capacity to function. So therefore, prana sampreritam chittam Deshantare Kshanadiyati. In a trice, just in a moment, where it goes? Deshantare. You sit here, where are you sitting now? Mahabaleshwar. Mind is where? Bombay. Mind is in Bombay. Here only. Yeah, I think half the work mobile has done possible. mobile, cell phone and few things we have sorted out possible. Otherwise, suppose cell phone was not there, queue for STD call. You are here, in your mind, in a trice, your mind can go to Surya Loka, Brahma Loka. See how long? You think? You may not know what exact description, but some concept of Brahma Loka is there or not? Kshana. But what is necessary? Prana samprerana. That prana samprerana is necessary. Kshana yati. So Deshantare Kshana yati. For which an example is given now.
क्षेपणोन्मुक्तपाषाणः इव तत्रान्यथाक्षयी यत्र पुष्पं तत्र गन्धः यत्राग्निस्तत्र सोष्णता. अन्वय क्षेपणोन्मुक्तपाषाणः इव तत्र अन्यथा as मनः क्षयी यत्र पुष्पं तत्र गन्धः यत्र अग्निः तत्र सा उष्णता. Again, क्षेपणोन्मुक्तपाषाणः इव तत्र अन्यथा as मनः क्षयी यत्र पुष्पं तत्र गन्धः यत्र अग्निः तत्र सा उष्णता.
यत्र क्षेपणेन उन्मुक्त पाषाणः इव तत्र means Deshantare yati. Mind goes to other place like a stone which is thrown by kshepana. Kshepana is catapult, sling. I hope you know. Marathi Deski, Hindi Bhelwas, Kannada Kavane. Gujarati I don't know. Huh? Gopan. You know what is that? So catapult. So that is, especially this for monkeys, etc. Monkeys, etc. It is that it's like this Y shape. Either you see rubber with two loops you can tie to this thing and just this thing and throw it like a dhanushya bana, or a Y shape, some wooden to this thing, and then to this inside rubber, and with that you can just stretch it and release it. Right. So kshepanonmukta pashana iva, like a stone thrown by a catapult. Iva tatra means just what was told earlier. Prana sampreritam chittam deshantare kshanadhyati. That prana sampreritam, for which an illustration is given, motivated by the prana. So like that, how? Like the catapult kshepana. Tatra means where deshantare yati. Anyatha manaha kshiyate. Anyatha means what? Prana nirodhe. Instead of prana samprerana, if prana nirodha is there, if the prana is checked, controlled, is not allowed to prompt the mind, it says kshayi manaha. Kshayi means kshiyate. It gets, that is mind gets ended, mind is no more the mind. So therefore mind functions on account of prana. Again, how? Where prana is there, mind is there. Further illustration are given. Yatra pushpam tatra gandha. Where the flowers, so there the fragrance. Where the prana, there the mind. Yatra agni tatra sa ushnata. Where the fire, there the heat. So also, where the prana, there is the. See, he had told earlier how prana prompts perceptual knowledge. Same thing is little elaborated at length here. He is going to come there to that point. Continuing.
Yatra prano marudyati. Yatrendustatra tashchavihi. Samvitti pavanaspanda. Nadi samsparshanascha saha. Anvaya. Yatra pranaha and tatra marudyati. Yatra induhu tatra tat chavihi. Pavanaspandar samvittihi and bhavati. Saha cha nadi samsparshanaha. Again, yatra pranaha and tatra marudyati. Yatra induhu tatra tat chavihi. Pavanaspandar samvittihi and bhavati. Saha cha nadi samsparshanaha.
Yatra pranaha, wherever prana is there, which prana this is? Veshti rupa pranaha, samashti rupa prana, both at individual level and total level. And who is total level prana? Hiranyagarbha. So yatra pranaha, where Veshti rupa prana and samashti rupa prana is there. See, tatra marudyati. Marut is Vayu. Who is this Vayu? Which Vayu? He is Vyana. What is the relation between prana and Vyana? One of the five pranas is Vyana. Where the prana is there, individual, Veshti level and Samashti level. Who is there? Vyana. Do you remember what function does this Vyana do? It prompts the indriyas to take to perception. So therefore it says Vyana tatra Vyamarud Vyana yati. It is how Again, yatra induhu tatra chavi, tachavihi. Now, Indu has got two meanings here. Indu literally means moon. I don't know why the name is given to ladies. Indu. Indu is masculine. Acha, Hindu Bhati, then short form Hindu. Okay, then it is fine. So that's it. Hindu, wherever Hindu. Now here, Hindu has got two meanings. So let us say, Tat Chavi also has got two meanings. First let us say, if Hindu is taken as Chandra, Tat Chavi, if Chavi means it's like moonlight. Wherever there is moon, there is moonlight. Is it not? Wherever there is moon, there is moonlight. Hindu can be taken as Chandrasya Anshaha, a part, a facet of Chandra. What is that? Manaha. Hindu can be taken as Chandrangsha Bhutaha Manaha. How come? Adhisthana Devata of mind is Chandra. That is why if you visit on Amavasya or Moonda, this Paurnima, lunatic asylum, you can get colorful things. That means that disease is at peak as such. And a person whose mind is not proper, that gets aggravated during the Amavasya, and why? Moon is the presiding deity of. That's why now somebody, hey, you are a Mooni fellow. Mooni. So Mooni is that is Chandrama Manaso Jataha. Chandrama Manaso Jata. Presiding deity is. So that's why Hindu can be taken as Chandrangsha Bhutam Manaha. Then in that case, Tat Chavi will be what? Manovrittayaha. Thoughts. Manovritti, Antakarana vritti, thoughts. Is it not now? Where the moon is there, moonlight is there. When the mind is there, there the mental vrittis are there. Again, yes, where the prana is there, there the vyana is there. So what? Lord Shiva wants to remind you what he has told earlier. For that purpose only, in perceptual knowledge, whether from any jnanendriya, eye, ear, nose, tongue, touch, not only there is the role of jnanendriya to function, but also the role of prana is there. Because if prana vyana doesn't prompt, how prana vyana prompts? Vyana is faculty of circulation, raktabhisarana. And this faculty of circulation makes the nutrition to reach all parts of the body, including the indriya. When the nutrition reaches the indriya, jnanendriya, they are capable of functioning. If they, what will happen? If food supply is on strike, what will happen? No food, no nourishment. So also, if jnanendriyas are capable of perceiving and giving the perceptual knowledge, role of prana is there or not? As vyana is certainly there. So that will say, for that very reason, so what is in each perceptual knowledge, whether eye from white, ear, nose, and so on, in each case, so why there is that is role of who? Prana. Which? Who? Prana, especially Vyana. Which Lord Shiva says, I had already told you earlier. Prak maya upadarshita. Of course, it is not in your stanza, but Tikakara says, I have already told you earlier, where verses 31 to 34. Vyana, prompting, Kaninika, etc. From verse 31 to 34, I have already told you. From that standpoint, he says how perceptual knowledge takes place by the activation, prompting of the prana. So that's what Pavanaspanda Samvittihi Bhavati. Pavanaspanda means Pranaspanda, by the activity of prana. Especially which prana? Vyana, activating the indriyas, and that specific aspect in indriyas like Kaninika, etc. verses 31 to 34. So Pavanaspanda Samvittihi Bhavati. That is not the only function of prana. Further he says, it has got other prana as well. Saha. Saha means Saha Pavanaha. That prana, specifically Vyana, Nadi Sparshanascha. Nadi Sparshanascha. It has got contact with the nadis. Nadis means nerves, neurosystem. Nadi is neurological system, neurosystem. So that is nerves. So that's why it says nadi. How? Why it has to have contact with nadi? Because this Vyana has to supply the nutrition to all parts of body, even to the minutest part, and it can be done with the help of nadis only, nerves only. So if nerves, that's why if nervous system fails, you are gone. So that is it. So therefore, say Sarvangeshu Anna Rasa Praveshartham, so that the nutritious content from the food, assimilated food, reach all parts of the body to the nook and corner. So there is sparshanascha. Sarvanadi samsparshanascha. So there should be contact of the Vyana with all the nadis. That is what Vyana does. So two functions it does. That is for reaching the food content to the entire body, contact with the Sarvanadi, and then through Vyana activating these indriyas to get the perceptual knowledge. Continue.
Samvitti Bharata Chittam Manastat Prana Kotare Sarvatra Vidyate Samvit Vyomasvacha Jadajare. Anvaya Chittam Samvitti Bharata and Upanna. Manaha.
No. Like this. Chittam Manaha Tat Prana Kotare Ghatite and Agatite. Chittam, take this way. Chittam Manaha. Then there you add Ghatite. Manaha Ghatite Tat Prana Kotare. After Manaha add Ghatite Tat Prana Kotare Samvitti Bharata Upapanna. Again, Chittam Manaha add
घटिते तत्प्राणकोटरे संवित्ति स्फारता एड उपपन्ना व्योम स्वच्छा संवित् सर्वत्र जडाजडे विद्यते. Again, चित्तम मनः एड घटिते प्राणकोटरे तत्प्राणकोटरे संवित्ति स्फारता एड उपपन्ना व्योम स्वच्छा संवित् सर्वत्र जडाजडे विद्यते.
चित्तम मनः घटिते. प्राणकोटरे तस्मिन् प्राणकोटर. From in the cage of prana. What is the cage? Wherever it is confined. So here pranakotara means sukshma sharira, subtle body. It is like this. Chittam manaha, that is affected by chittam manaha. Chitta, mana, ahankara, again mana buddhi ahankara chittam, that is what you are. Chittam manaha, chittam manaha. Ghatita, ghatita means affected. What is it? Linga sharira atmake pranakotari. In the subtle body characterized by chitta and mana, in that samvitti sparata upapanna. Sparata, dviguneekarana. Dviguneekarana means multiplication, enriching, vistara of who? The samvitti. How is it? Look, now be clear about pranakotara. What is pranakotara? Suksharira. In the suksharira, samvitti, that is chit, becomes doubled. How come? Both bimba and pratibimba are there. In suksharira, what happens? In antakarana, the chaitanya gets reflected. So therefore, when reflected, there chit is there or not?
Yes.
Or no, or it is like this. See, sun is in the sky and the reflection is the bucket. In the bucket, sun is there? Musibat, if sun. If sun is in the bucket, there will be not reflection. Do you know why? Water will not be there and you and me also will not. Suppose sun comes on a visit, courtesy visit to earth. I am doing all these things. I should just make them happy. What will happen? There will not be earth at all. Everything will get reduced to ashes. But you can't say that for chit. Why? Chit is all pervasive. Chaitanya is all pervasive. And because it is all pervasive, it is already there in the antakarana. And now what has happened? Antakarana being what it is, made up of apanchikrita panchamahabhuta. There is a reflection. Dviguneekarana is multiplication, is there not? That is Sparata. Sparata means Vistrata. Upapanna is possible. Is possible. See, slowly he is heading, you know what is that? Again, Jagat Utpatti is because of Chit. Jagat Sthiti is because of Chit. Jagat Samsara is in Chit. And therefore, we know what it is. The entire Jagat is under the control of chit. Because sthiti, janma, sthiti, samvada is centered where? In this. For example, golden ornaments made of gold, exist in gold, when destroyed become gold, are nothing but gold only. They are dependent on gold, like that. That is going to be slow shown by concluding in this particular chapter. So that is it. So Sparata Vyoma Swachha Samvit, which is Vyoma Swachha, as pure as Akasha in its Swarupa. How Akasha is Asanga, so also Samvit means the chit is so Asanga, so pure in its Swarupa. Vyoma Swachha Sarvatra Jada Jade Vidyate. Vidyate is there where? Sarvatra, in all. What are those all? In Jada and Ajada. Whether either thing is there or Ajada, Sachetana thing is there. What is that? Chit is there. In Jada, it is only in the form of existence. In Ajada, both existence and chit, knowledge aspect. And how the knowledge aspect comes in Ajada, Sachetana? Earlier we have seen how the division of Jada and Ajada comes. The Chidabhasa in the individual buddhi or samashti buddhi. That was in the earlier chapter, it was answered. So that is the Vyoma Swachha Samvit, the chit which is as pure as the sky, as the space, is Sarvatra Jadajare, in all inert and sentient things, Vidyate, it is there. And it gets activated on account of prana, and then knowledge takes place. Continue.
Shubhyanti vasusa pranaha Spandadityanubhuyate.
Not prana, prana.
Shubhyanti vasusa prana spandadityanubhuyate. Sattamatra swarupena Jareshu sahavartita. Anvaya. Sa tu pranaspandar shubhyanti iva iti anubhuyate. Jareshu and api satta matra swarupena and chit samavastita. Again, sa tu pranaspanda shubhyanti iva iti anubhuyate. Jareshu and api satta matra swarupena and chit samavastita.
How chit is in both Jada and Ajada is possible to is explained now. Sa tu, tu means but, whereas sa means what? Samvit referred to in the earlier verse. Means chit, sa tu samvit, so chit. Pranaspanda, on account of pranaspanda, because of function of prana through dhyana, there is Shubhyanti iva, as though gets activated, as though moves, means actually Shubhyanti iva means Sanchalati iva, as though moves. What is this moving? What is meant by that is clear manifestation. See, that is Shubhyanti Sputam Abhivaktya. by very clear manifestation, by prana spanda, what happens? Mana becomes active. When mana becomes active, Chidabhasa is there. Chidabhasa is there means what? Knowledge takes it. So therefore what? Kshubhyanti eva. Chit is as though very clearly manifest. You know why? This is not so in Jada. In Jada, manifestation of Chit aspect is not available. Why not available? Because this Chidabhasa is not available. So that Kshubhyanti eva, as though clearly manifest. It is so anubhuyate, so it is experienced. Then it may not be in Jada, Chit may not be in Jada. Jadeshu api, even in the Jada things, inner things, Satta matra swarupena. That Chit, Satta matra swarupena, Chit only in the form of existence. See, anything you say is no, that isness is on account of what? Chit. Can you say is without being aware of it, without knowing it? Means what? What is that? Isness is on account of Sat aspect of the Chit. So that is very clear. Chit aspect is not there because Antakarana is not there. What is called as Prana Kotara Sukshma Sharira is not there. Prana Kotara was told in 51st Skanda. Jadeshu, how? Api Jadeshu api Satta matra swarupena, only in the form of existence, Chit anubhuyate is experience. This is our experience, is it not? In microphone, is there any manifestation of Chit? No. But microphone is. That isness on account of Chit only. This is how it is experienced. Now suppose in Jada also you inculcate prana. What will happen? Samviti has to come. You know that story of 5 brothers? 5 brothers went somewhere to a master for learning. And what happened was, they learned what they learned. Different 5 brothers, there is one was saying, of reviving a dead body. Reviving a dead body. So they were returning after learning, etc. They saw on the wayside a skeleton of a tiger. Skeleton of a tiger. One said, I can inculcate flesh in this. Other said, I can inculcate blood in this. Other said, I can inculcate brain in this. The other said, I can inculcate prana in this. So they wanted to experiment their knowledge. And all the fools did it. The last fellow inculcated the prana. Tiger said, Bhagavan is so great. 5 idiots readily kept for my lunch. It pounced upon them. So like that, why? Prana. Suppose if you inculcate prana in this, oh speaker, speak properly. Speak properly. Why are you shouting like this? Why are you shouting like this? Speak softly. It will start telling us. So, not like this. So that we say, so if in Jada, if you inculcate prana, automatically happen to us? Because of prana kotara suksharira, what will happen? Knowledge also can take place. If in Deha, Jada Deha also, If prana, if the inert body is made to know because of the prompting of the prana, it can know everything. Continue.
Prana sambodhita veti vedanatmataya jade nanaspara samullasaihi yah purvam parivalgati praneti te tvamananaha sa eva shunavepati. Anvaya. Jade and api dehe. Jade and api dehe prana sambodhita and chit vedanatmataya veti yaha purvam nanaspara samullasaihi parivalgati saha eva pranetite atite tu amananaha and sun ashu na vepati. Again, jade and api dehe prana sambodhita and chit vedanatmataya veti yaha purvam nanaspara samullasaihi parivalgati saha eva prane atite tu amananaha and sun ashu na vepati.
3 lines are there in this stanza. Now there, one alternate reading is there. Pathantara is there. In the place of jade, jadaha is there. Prana, like this. Prana, see here what is there? Prana sambodhita veti vedanatmataya jade. The alternate reading is Prana sambodhito veti vedanatmataya jada. It seems to be better possible. Prana sambodhitaha veti, that is vedanatmataya jadaha. Here we are what you are saying, jade api dehe. Let us say first as it is. Jade api dehe. In this body, even though it is inert in nature, prana sambodhita chit. Chit, which is made manifest by what? Prana sambodhita chit. Vedanatmataya. Vedanatmaya means by identification with the individual chit at the individual level, which is superimposed there. Adhyasika chittadatmya balena. What has happened? At individual level, Sukh Sharira is there. When Sukh Sharira is there, then what happens? Chidabhasa. Now this Chidabhasa, is it not Adhyasika chit? Superimposed chit. It is superimposed chit. So that's why I say that jade in the inner body also, the chit which is prompted by prana, vedanatmataya, on account of superimposed chidabhasa, veti, that means gains the knowledge, comes to know. In short, though body inert, if activated by prana, because of chidabhasa in the Sukh Sharira, it is capable of knowing. capable of. That is what happens. When the person is dead, what has happened? Sukh Sharira is gone, Prana is no more, no Chidabhasa, no knowledge. So that is a Vesti. If you take other way, Jadaha, then add Dehaha. If it is reading is Jadaha. Jadaha Deha. What type of Deha it is? Prana Sambodhitaha. Prompted, activated by what? Prana. Vedanatmataya. That is because in the form of Vedana, in terms of Chidabhasa, Vesti knows. Vesti knows. For the very reason, Yaha Purvam Nanaspara Samullasa Parivalgati. So Yaha Deha Purvam. Earlier means when body is taken, that body is what? Dead body. But before death, was it Satyatana or not? That is that. So Yaha means Deha. So what is that Deha? See, what Deha it is? Purvam. Purvam means while living. Now it is dead, but before death, while living, Yaha Purvaha, while living, Nanaspara Samullasaihi. By Samullasa, by the sports of various type of, see, Nanaspara, by the Spara means Vistrita. Vistrita in the sense extensive. So that is, so Nanaspara Samullasai, with all that is activities and knowledge, what does it do? Say, Parivalgati. Parivalgati means Vyavaharati, takes to Vyavahara. Same body, which body? The body which is inert, dead now, before, during the stage of living, because of who? Because of Prana, in terms of, that is, various types of activities and knowledge, both activities and knowledge, it takes to Vyavahara. So in the sense, even the inert embodiment, when activated by Prana, because of Chidabhasa in the Sukshara, can take to Vyavahara. This is what is true. That's why it says, Saha eva prane. What is Saha eva? Saha deha, that jada deha itself, now which was living hitherto. Saha eva deha prane atite. When the prana, Suksharira, gives up, what happens to amananaha san? Amananaha san means mano vyapara rahitaha san. Without the mano vyapara, manana san, says ashu na vipatati. Ashu means what? Quickly. Quickly means instantly. Na vipatati means na kampate, does not function. So therefore all activities and knowledge in the body are on account of what? Prana, which activates the manaha and does all these things. So all this is because of what? Chidabhasa in the Sukshma Sharira. Continue.
Uryashtake chit parama Sve mune pratibimbati प्रतिमा दृश्यते नोपरादिषु अन्वय मुने परमाचित् स्वे पुर्यष्टके प्रतिबिंबति आदर्शे एव प्रतिमा दृश्यते उपरादिषु न. Again, मुने परमाचित् स्वे पुर्यष्टके प्रतिबिंबति आदर्शे एव प्रतिमा दृश्यते उपरादिषु न.
O Mune, O Vasishtha, Paramachit. What is the Paramachit? Nirupadhika Chit. So free from the Srishti, free from the Jagat, Paramachit. Sve Puryashtaki. In its Puri of 8 facets. Puri means what? Puri? City, not Bhelpuri. Puri, not a city. In this city of having 8 facets. We will see what is it, but what it means is Sukshma Sharira, Linga Sharira. Linga Sharira, Sukshma Sharira is called as Puri. How? We will see afterwards. Mune Paramachit Sve in its own Puryashtake in Linga Sharira Pratibimbati, it gets reflected. What is Puryashtaka? How reflection takes place? This will let us see now. Once we know why Sukshma Sharira is called Puryashtaka, then it will be very clear how Chidabhasa takes place in that. Now what is this? Bhuta, Antakarana, Prana, Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, Avidya, Kama, Karma. These 8 constitute the Puryashtaka Linga Sharira, that is who? The Sukshara. What are those? Bhuta. Bhuta means Panchamaha Bhuta. Which Panchamaha Bhuta? Tanmatra. Antakarana. That from the Tanmatras, Mana Buddhi, Ahankara Chitta. See, Bhuta as 1 unit. Don't take as 5. Panchamaha Bhuta as 1 unit, because 8 unit facets are there, 8 units are. Panchamaha Bhuta as 1 unit. Panchamaha Bhuta as 1 unit. Antakarana, Mana Buddhi Ahankara Chitta as the second facet, second unit. Prana. I hope you know how they are constituted. Panchamahabhutas are from what? Trigunatmika Maya. Maya is Trigunatmika, therefore Panchamahabhutas also are Trigunatmika. The individual sattvic content of the 5 elements go into the constitution of 5 Jnanendriya. Samashti, total content, sattvic content of the 5 elements go into constitution of Antakarana, Tattva Bodha. Then individual rajasic content of 5 elements go into the constitution of Karmendriya. Samashti, total content of Rajoguna of the 5 elements goes into the constitution of the Prana. Right? That's it. So that is from Panchamahabhuta, Antakarana, Prana. Then Jnanendriya, 3rd unit. Then Bhuta, 1 unit. Antakarana, 2nd unit. Prana, 3rd unit. Jnanendriya, 4th unit. Karmendriya, 5th unit. Then to take the embodiment in this particular ground body, What is necessary? Karma phala. Karma phala are on account of what? Karma. Karma is on account of what? Avidya. So therefore, avidya. But how avidya led to karma to give karma phala? Kama, desire. Avidya 6, kama, desire 7, and karma is the 8. So 8 facets constitute the Puryashtaka. See, Suksharira means just simply doesn't land from somewhere. All these are necessary. These are the essential constituents of the Linga Sharira. That is what? Sukshma Sharira. There is one sloka. Bhutanta karma prana jnana karmendriya avidya kama karmadhyam lingam puryashtakam viduhu. What I have told? I don't know from where it is. I don't know. Maybe Panchadashi or this it will mix with. But even it is in Panchadashi, it may have been quoted from somewhere. Do you know why? Tikakara has given, I am sure, Tikakara of this Yoga Vasishta must be much prior to Panchadashi. Because if at all is there, they were very conversant with many of the 108 Upanishads. Maybe somewhere there. Panchadashi, I don't know whether it is Panchadashi. If at all, even if it is Panchadashi, it is possible, I have to verify that, I didn't verify. So, it is possible that Panchadashi Kara quoted from elsewhere, because if you take Panchadashi and like Vivek Chudamani, there are many verses, mantras from original different Upanishads. So I have what? Somebody helped me. Given a list of, if that 108 Upanishads, they went from this Panchadashi, what are the stanzas from other Upanishads? Vivek Chudamani, what are the things? Aparoksha Anubhati, and I got a list. If any time I can refer. So this is that. I have to find out whether this is from there. Fine. So what is Panchadashi? What is Puryashtaka now? Suksharira made up of Panchamahabhuta, Antakarna, Prana, Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, Avidya, Kama, Karma. So that was a Gune Paramachit Puryashtake Pratibimbati. It gets reflected where? In the Puryashtaka. How? Yatha, just as, this, Yatha, Adarshe eva pratima drishyate. Where can you see your, in the reflection, especially in a hotel, your face? To dress up. Where? Adarshe eva. Adarshe eva. Say, only in the mirror you can see the reflection. Na upala adishu. No upala adishu. Not in stone, walls, etc. Otherwise, you know what will happen? In the hotel, there would not have a single mirror. Why? Big walls. You can see your face in the wall. Bigger than the mirror. No. Upala means stone. Adishu. Stone, tree, wall, etc. You can't see the reflection. So likewise, Chidabhasa is available only in the where there is Puryashtaka Sukshara. This makes it clear how Jada and Satyatana division has come. That Samashti Buddhi, Vashti Buddhi means what? Suksharira. So that Suksharira, there in that Antakarna, Chidabhasa is available. Upaladishu na. How? Just as Adarshe eva pratima drishyate. Upaladishu na. Therefore, who is this? For all activities, who is the CEO? Mind. And what is that mind? Puryashtaka. Sukshma Sharira is the chief executive officer. So he should be He should be properly trained. You know, this modern this terminology, CEO. If you go to America, even the supervisor will be director. That has come now. President, vice president, associate president. You boost the ego. That's all. Otherwise, no. Clerk means what will happen. Supervisor means Chambal, president, chairman. Associate president can be chaprasis also. The one who is associated with president can be chaprasi also. So director, supervisor also is a director only. One would direct. So anyway, so now who is the CEO for this jiva, for all owners of this? It is this manaha, it is this what? This linga, Puryashtaka only. Continue.
Mana Puryashtakam Vidhi Sarva Karyaika Karanam Tadaiva Vedaihi Katitam Anyai Dvachaya Kalpitaihi. Anvaya Manaha as eva Puryashtakam Vidhi as such Sarva Karyaika Karanam Anyaihi Swachaya Kalpitaihi Tadaiva
Tadeva. Correct it, huh? You have got Tadaiva is there, no? Correct it, Tadeva. Tadeva.
Tadeva Vedaihi Patitam. Again, Manaha as eva Puryashtakam Vidhi as such Sarva Karyaika Karanam Anyaihi Swachaya Kalpitaihi Tat eva Vedaihi Katitam.
Manaha eva, mind alone is now, see, earlier it what was told, Prana as the Ratha of Mana, and Mana as the one who gives the Samvitti, etc. knowledge was there. Now what is brought now? Puryashtaka. So now we say, from where this Puryashtaka comes Sukh Sharira? We say, Mana and Sukh Sharira, they are what? One and the same. From different standpoint, they have been given the different name. From different functions, they have been given the different name. Manaha eva Puryashtakam Vidhi. O Mune, please know what was described earlier as what? Manaha itself is what? For practical purpose, itself is what? Puryashtaka, Linga, Sharira, Sukshma, Tacha means that Manaha, Puryashtaka, Sarvakaryaika Karanam, Sarvakaryanam Eka Karanam means Mukhya Karanam. It is the main cause of all the karya or all the activities. So mind itself is Puryashtaka. It is the main Karana means main sadhana for all the activities. The question comes now, sir, earlier prana nimitta, on account of prana, chit pratibimba in the mind was stored. When what was stored? Prana as the ratha of mana, and mana giving rise to prana on account of Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is where? In the mana. So therefore, what was that? Chidabhasa in the mana is because of functioning of the mana, and that is because of prana. See, the chit pratibimba ukta. Now what is told in stanza 54, it is Puryashtake chit pratibimba is told. Reflection of Chaitanya where? In the Puryashtaka. How are you doing? That actually he has already told. What is told? This mana itself is Puryashtaka. That is told. So therefore the question comes, why so? At one place you call it as mind, at other place you call it as Puryashtaka. How it is? Ranu can't be Goku. How is it? No. Stuff is same, but this is a mode of teaching by different acharyas to make their students understand. Therefore it depends on who is sitting in front of, who is sitting in front of who? The acharya, because his concern is to make them understand. So that is why from different angles, one and the same Suksharira is called as, that's why at places Buddhi word is used. Now Buddhi word you have to take as what? Not simply Nishtayatmika Buddhi. That Buddhi can be used for Mana, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chitta. At other place it is only used as Manaha. That it is not simply Sankalpa Vikalpatmaka Manaha. It is Mana, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chitta, Antagana. At places Manaha can mean only Manaha. Buddhi can mean only Buddhi. But we have to see in this manner, context has to be seen. It is depending on, see, even this Puryashtaka. Puryashtaka you can say, come on, Bhutas 5, Antakarana 4, 9, Prana 5, 14, and Jnana Karmendriya 10, 24, then Avidya Kama Karma 27. ये 8 किधर से आ गया? It is a way of looking. Like this. Suksharira. Tattva-bodha. What is the definition? Pancha jnanendriyani, pancha karmendriyani, pancha pranaha, manascha ekam, buddhischa eka iti, saptadasha kalabhiti tat suksharira. 17 facets. And here, 8. They have it. And to that 17, Mana and Buddhi, Ahankara, Chitta, and it became 19. Again to that, 5, 11, 24. To that, 3, Avidya, Kama, Karma, 27. So therefore, we should not get carried away by these labels. We should find out what is the constituent. So that I say, so that is the case. Tadeva, he says, Annaihi svashaya kalpitaihi. Annaihi means by annaihi acharyahi. Svashaya kalpitaihi. Shishya bodhana upayahi. Svashaya kalpitaihi means adopted to make the disciple understand. Svashaya kalpitaihi means Shishya bodhana upayahi. Tadeva. Tadeva means the one and the same Manaha is what? Bhedaihi Katitam is told as Puryashtaka. Bheda, division, different aspects. What is that? Puryashtaka having the 8 facets. So that being the case, it is only 2 different levels, but thing is one and the same. So now, entire Vishwa, entire creation revolves where? In this Chiti Brahma only. And thereafter, next chapter, so it makes it very clear, this Chit abiding in the Puryashtaka, what is Puryashtaka? Sukhira, how it functions? How it functions? Again, this Chit abiding in the Puryashtaka, how it takes future birth, future embodiment, Punarjanma, how Punarjanma takes place before that, how it functions in the body, That is going to be the topic of the next chapter. How the person, individual, takes the future embodiments, etc. First, how Chit operates through Pulyashtaka Suksharira in this body. Then, how it takes the next body.
Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayanta Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha Go Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanyaha Prithvi Sasya Shalini Deshoyam Shobharahitaha Brahmana Santu Nirbhaya Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om